Hi everyone, this is Syed. Welcome to Britishian Food. Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make Matar Paneer using hotel style gravy, masala gravy, and I got the video recipe on my channel for this. And for the paneer, guys, I fried the paneer and I'm using Indian paneer cheese. You can find it any Asian supermarket, so I think Tesco probably do. Check. And also I'm using frozen green peas here. It's a very easy recipe, guys. You can easily make it if you have hotel style gravy, or you can use normal BIR gravy as well. So let's start, guys. First I'm going to add 1 chef spoon of cooking oil. Garlic, I'm using half of one medium size of onion. Bay leaf and small piece of cinnamon stick and 1 clove. So 1 tablespoon of butter ghee. So now that this gravy, guys, the bonus gravy, I'm gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoon of bonus gravy and some rogan as well. Now that the peas, cordon peas. Because I'm going to add a little more gravy, the spooner gravy, about 1 tablespoon. This is more than 1 portion side dish, so I just need more buna sauce or gravy. Now I'm going to add the fried paneer. Also, I'll add some green chili, that's optional. And also I'll add some tomato. I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Salt to taste, guys, you can adjust the salt. I'll add some coriander. Guys, the paneer is almost ready. A side dish now. Once again, now I'm going to transfer to a serving bowl. Alright guys, my Matar Paneer is done. I'm going to do the taste test. Let's see how it tastes like. You can have it with the pilau rice, naan breads or chapatis. Beautiful size. That's absolutely beautiful. Very nice. I actually love it because it's so soft, the paneer, and also the peas is cooked perfectly as well. And and the green chili is giving actually a nice kick to the mouth. That is absolutely brilliant, guys. Thank you very much, guys. So I'll see you guys. Hope to see you soon with a very new recipe. Bye bye.